Hey, what's up, guys? It's Taylor. Today I am coming at you with a weekly plan with me video. This video was kind of like spur of the moment. I did not vlog today like I typically would do, but I did shoot this video because I was going to incorporate this video sometimes this week, but I'm just going to upload it today like I would normally with my vlogs, but instead it's going to be a plan with me video, so I hope you enjoy it. Most of the stickers I'm using today are from Planner Sister Stickers, Sarah and Rebecca's shop. They have some really pretty glitter stickers. I bought these like, I don't know, in 2017, so I haven't checked out their shop in a while, so I don't know if they're even still going. Hopefully they are. They have literally the best stickers. I mean, they have the water jug stickers that are super cute and sparkly, or the hydrate stickers, I guess I should call them. They've got all of the glitter boxes I used today are from them. The Monday through Sunday stickers are from them. The half boxes and the headers all are from them. And then also, let's see. There are some deco stickers that I use later on in the video that are from other shops. And so those stickers, I will link those below on where I got those. Most of them are probably from the Planner Hood, Hello Stationery, the Honeybee Shop, and Once More with Love. If there's any shops I did not mention, like I said, I'll be listing all of them below. I think, oh yeah, from Sticker Bloom, my glitter coffee cups are from them. So if you're wondering about those are the only glittery stickers that I use that aren't from the sister shop. I'm sorry, the Planner Sticker Sisters. Planner Sister Sticker. That's a tongue twister. I also use a page flag just as a reminder of my appointments and stuff. If I didn't have this planner, I would be like lost. I haven't actually been planning like this in a while, and my life just kind of has been a mess. Like, I'm telling you, the planner makes a really big difference. When you have a planner and you're using it consistently, like you're supposed to be using it, it saves you so much time, so much energy, and basically your life is just so different. And I always tell my friends to use planners and things like that, but nobody's interested in listening to me because I don't know nothing, right? But not only does it keep you organized and stuff, but this planner is just so much fun. Like, it's just fun for me to sit and see everything I need to do for the week, and then also just to sit and decorate with stickers. I mean, I don't know, I love scrapbooking, so this is just like another thing that I can love and enjoy doing. So, I don't know, but I'll let you guys watch this, and I will pop in just a few minutes. basically, what I'm planning on doing, next week is my birthday, and I think that I may get some money from some family members and stuff. So I'm planning on ordering my planner for 2019 next week, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with the Day Designer. I believe that's what it's called. So yeah, the Day Designer. It retails for $59, and it's a whole year of. It's a daily planner from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. But I like that it has it. First of all the reviews, people are saying they're very durable. But I like how it has a front pocket. I also like that they have a white marble color option because that's like my favorite. It also has like gold accents on it. But also, like, if you haven't looked at this planner, you should definitely go take a look at it. Like, the whole layout of the Day Designer I like. To me, it just looks very functional. And the weekly planner, I like it, but as you can see, like, I need more room. Like, I have so much stuff going on in one day. Like, I need to be able to use a whole page. So I'm wondering, if I get a daily planner, who would be interested in seeing videos throughout the week? Maybe not every day, a plan with me, but maybe like throughout the week. I plan on planning a day ahead, or maybe even a week ahead. Like, maybe I'll plan it kind of like I do my weekly plans with me, except those videos would be so much longer because it would be like a detailed thing, detailed decorative of what I do on a day-to-day basis. So if you're interested in those kind of videos, leave a comment below. And also, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. I really enjoy doing this. I've only made a couple videos, but I'm really enjoying it so far. And if you like it, it lets me know that you like it. So, I guess that's all for today. You guys have a wonderful week and have a great night.